Minha? Minha, can you hear me? Minha, can you hear me? So we'll switch on your video. Kshetra, Shania, Elsa, Dominic.
Ma'am, did you call me?
Yeah. What's the equation to find out number of moles using mass?
Ma'am, given mass by mole.
Yeah, given mass by?
Molar mass.
Okay, molar mass.
Molar mass.
Yeah, okay, fine. Then what about the equation to calculate number of moles using number of particles? Dominic? Dominic, can you hear me? Sania, are you there? Sania? No? Okay, Srihari, tell me, what's the equation to calculate number of moles using number of particles?
Number of given particles by Avogadro number.
Yeah, given number of particles by Avogadro number. Then there is one more equation that is connecting this mass, number of particles, etc. What is that, Jerlyn?
M equal to M into N by N.
Yeah, or M by M equal to N by N0, right? Yeah, then we are going to do these problems, okay? Yeah, it's in the page, not need of page number. Take a notebook or a rough book, okay, for work out these problems. So the first question is that calculate the number of moles calculate the number of moles. First one, just wait. Okay, first one, 52 gram of helium. Okay, 52 gram of helium. Yeah, tell me what is small m here? What is capital M here? Tell me. We have to find out N. Yeah, tell me. Capital M, that is the molar mass. And small m, it is the given mass. So, small m is equal to?
52 gram.
Yeah, it's 52 gram. Then capital M, do you know the atomic mass of helium? It's not in that table, right? It is 4, okay, it's 4 gram. Then we have to find out N. N is equal to M by M, small m by capital M, that is 52 by 4. And what's the answer? 52 by,
13.
yeah, it's 13 number of moles. So 52 gram of helium in the question, 52 gram, that is the given mass. So small m equal to 52 gram. Then the molar mass capital M of helium is 4 gram. Then the equation is small n, it is equal to number of moles, that is equal to given mass by molar mass. So 52 by 4 and it is 13. Clear? Yeah, everyone clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Then the next question is that it is B 12.044 into 10 raised to 23 number of helium atoms. Helium atoms. Here, which equation can be used? First equation or second equation?
My second.
Yeah, second equation, right? Then what's the second equation, Sania? Sania, can you hear me?
Number of
Yeah,
yes, ma'am.
yeah,
Given number of particles by Avogadro's number.
yeah, very good. N equal to or number of moles equal to given number of particles by Avogadro number, right? That is small n equal to capital N divided by N0. So here this 12.044 into 10 raised to 23, it is N or N0? Yeah, it is N. N equal to 12.044 into 10 raised to 23. Then what about N0, Avogadro number?
6.022
Yeah,
into 10 by 20.
23, right? Then we have to find this number of moles N. It is 12.044 into 10 raised to 23 divided by 6.022 into 10 raised to 23. And the answer is 2. Okay. 2 number of moles. Clear? Is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Anyone? Any doubt? No? Shall I move to the next question?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then next section we are going to calculate the mass. Now we are doing the number of moles, right? Then we are going to calculate the mass of the following. Calculate the mass. Okay. First question is that 0.5 mole of N2. N2 gas. Okay. 0.5 mole of N2 gas. So Elsa,
Yes, ma'am.
tell me what is given in the question. 0.
Calculate the mass.
Yeah,
0.5 mole
yeah,
of N2 gas.
0.5 mole. It's what is that? 0.5 mole. What is that? We have to calculate the mass. So what is this 0.5 mole?
One small letter n.
Which one?
Ma'am, n is equal to.
Yeah, very good. This small letter n, the number of moles is given 0.5. Okay. Then here it is N2. So what will be the capital M? N2. It is a molecule. So we have to consider the molecular mass. And capital M is equal to? Tell me the molecular mass of nitrogen. Okay, tell me the atomic mass of nitrogen.
Ma'am, 14.
Yeah, 14. So here N2 means 2 nitrogen. So
And
14 into 2.
28.
Yeah, it's 28 gram. So we have to calculate M. That is the given mass or the mass. So N equal to small m divided by capital M. Okay. Then we have to find out this small m. So N into M. That is equal to 0.5 into 28. What will be the answer? 0.5 into 28.
14 gram.
Yeah.
14 gram.
14 gram.
Yeah, it's 14.
14.
Yeah, it's 14 gram. Okay. Yeah. Finish?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Then the next question is that this be 0.5 mole of nitrogen atom. Nitrogen atom. Adulya?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. How can we calculate the mass? What is this 0.5 mole? Yeah, tell me.
N.
Yeah, it's small letter n. That is equal to 0.5. Then we have to calculate m, right? Then what will be the capital M or the molar mass of nitrogen? Here it is atom, nitrogen atom. So the capital M is equal to,
14.
yeah, it's 14 gram. So the equation is that N equal to small m by capital M. We have to find out this M. So N into capital M. That is,
7.
okay,
Ma'am,
wait.
7.
Yeah, it's 7. 0.5 into 14 and it's 7 gram. Okay. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Can I rub this? Yeah. Then the next question is that 3.011 into 10 raised to 23 number of nitrogen atom. 3.011 into 10 raised to 23 number of nitrogen atom. Calculate the mass. Which equation can be used? Which equation can be used? Tell me.
M is equal to N into capital M by
Yeah.
N0.
Yeah, very good. That is M is equal to N by N0 into capital M, right? Then what is the value of capital N? Yeah. What's the value of capital?
3 3.011.
3.011 into 10 raised to 23. Then what's the value of N0?
6.022 into
Yeah, 6.022 into 10 raised to 23. Then what about the capital M?
14.
10.
Yeah, it's 14 because nitrogen atom. That's why it is 14. Therefore, the M is equal to N by N, that is 3.011 into 10 raised to 23 divided by 6.022 into 10 raised to 23. This then into 14. What's the answer?
7.
Yeah, it's 14 by 2. Like this. We can cancel this by 1 by 2 and it is 14 by 2, that is 7 gram. Okay, clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Finish, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
What about others? Finish?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, try to do the next question, okay? The question is that sorry, 12.044 into 10 raised to 23 number of N2 molecules. Okay? Do it fast. Then send me your answer. 12.044 into 10 raised to 23 number of N2 molecules. Calculate the mass. Those who have finished? Yeah. Srihari, you are right. Then what about others? Geraldine, please check that it is nitrogen molecule. Okay, nitrogen molecule. Do it fast. Yeah, Anjali Priya, you are right. No, Lakshmi. No. What about others? No, Melita. Is there any confusion? Look here. We have to find out m, right? So the equation becomes n by n0 into m. And n is 12.044 into 10 raised to 23. Then n0 6.022 into 10 raised to 23. Then into m. Here nitrogen molecule, so it is 28. We can cancel this 2 by 1. 2 into 28, that is 56 gram. Okay. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone, finish? Lakshmi,
Yes,
Geraldine, finish?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then the next question is that calculate the number of particles. Calculate the number of particles. 46 gram of Na atom, sodium atom. Which equation can be used? Tell me which equation can be used.
M by M into.
Yeah, that's it. N by N0, that is equal to M by M, right? We have
Yes,
to
ma'am.
find out this N. So M by M into N0. So what about this small letter m, given mass?
46.
Yeah, the given mass is 46 gram. And what about the molar mass in the case of sodium?
23.
Yeah, it's 23. What's the value of N0? Tell me.
6.0.
6.022 into.
6.022 into 10 raised to 23. 2 into 6.022 into 10 raised to 23, that is equal to 12.044 into 10 raised to 23. Okay. Finish? All of you finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Can I rub this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So the next question, do it as your own, okay? That is 8 gram of oxygen atom. 8 gram of oxygen atom. Do it fast. 8 gram of oxygen atom. I don't need the proper answer, but the correct steps, okay? 8 gram of oxygen atom. Those who are finished, please message me. Yeah. Eight gram of oxygen atom. Yeah, Srihari, you are right. What about others? Yeah, Bin, you are right. Gauri, please check that. There is small mistake, I think so. Please look here. We have to calculate the number of particles. So, N that is equal to M by M into N0, right? Here, the M is 8 gram and the capital M, that's the molar mass, is 16 into 6.022 into 10 raised to 23. 8 by 16, 2, and that is equal to 3.011 into 10 raised to 23. Okay. Clear? Everyone? Yeah. Then there is one more question. That is 0.1 mole of carbon atom. Calculate the number of particles. 0.1 mole of carbon atom. Which equation can be used? N is given. We have to
N is
find
equal
out.
to-
Yeah.
N is equal to
Yeah.
small m by m.
Yeah. N by N0.
Ma'am, n is equal to n into n0.
N by N0. Here the N is provided and we know the value of N0. We have to find out this N. Okay, okay. It's okay. You told me like this, right? N0 into N.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that's fine. That's fine. 0.22 into 10 raised to 23 is the value. So it becomes 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 into the value of N is 0.1. So find out that answer. Okay. It's after the class. Okay. Then there are 2 more questions there in the page number 42. That's homework. Okay, clear? Page number 42, 2 questions. 1 and 2. Then okay, chapter 2 is matter around us pure. That's for your MCQ 3, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So you study from page number 14 to 18. 14 to 18 for the next class. Yeah, Elsa? Which question, Elsa?
And the last one.
Yeah, you mean the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. So all of you study page number 14 to 18 for the next class. Chapter 2, page number 14 to 18. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Then Aklam Fatima present. Elsa, is it finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then Elna Rose absent, right? Bastin present? No. Devasena? No. Fagat? Gautam? Gautam was there in the beginning, right? Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. Jaslyn? Joel? Justin? No. Karthik? Then all are present. Okay. So study well for the next class. Chapter 3, page number 14 to 18. Okay. Then do this 2 questions as homework.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Then thank you all. See you in next class.
Thank you,
Thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Who is present? Yeah, Lakshmi. It's okay.